first need to write your text of choice, and you will choose your font as well. This is my favorite font. So after you choose your font, and then you also choose your color of choice. So once you are done with that, what you want to do now is that you want to screenshot what you have done. Then you now tap on the text, you come to style, and you want to change the text color to white or to another color of choice. Once you've done that, you also screenshot it. So the both screenshotted images, so you hit edit. Based on your device, you edit it. You just crop the other parts out, leaving out only the text and the black parts on the text. You also do the same thing for this other text as well. You now upload the two images to a new project on CapCut. Then you tap on the first one, you scroll to remove BG, and then you hit chroma key. Then you drag on the black color to remove the black color on the background. You do the same thing for the other image as well. You scroll to BG, and then you use chroma key to remove the black background. Now we have two texts without a background. Then you align both texts on each other. And once you've done that, you come to the beginning of the text. You make sure you come to the beginning, and then you scroll to mask. So you choose cycle mask. Then at this beginning, you add your chroma key, and then you use position, especially this x-axis. You use position, and then you scroll this x-axis to the left. So, and then you can use your finger on the screen as well to quickly adjust it. But you can use this position, size, rotate, and feather to do everything you need to do based on your own preferences. So after that, I add my keyframe. Then I come to the last part of this particular text. I add another keyframe. Then I hit on the mask again so as to adjust the x-axis, and then I move it to the right. And once it gets to the center, I'll stop. And after doing that, the next thing I want to do is that I want to adjust the feather. Now it is the feather that gives it a blurry edge. Yes, you could see now. Next I want to do is that I want to come in between the two keyframes. Then I want to hit graph, this graph icon. Then the graph effect I want to choose is bounce 6, which is the last graph effect. Yeah, so that's the one I want to use. So I have my animation done already. So the last thing I want to do now is just to add my sound effects. Then I'll first add the sound effect, iron key title logo. So that's the first one I would love to add based on my preference. And then I have one more sound effect to add to this. And I'll type Dawn movie trailer. So this is the second sound effect I want to add on the video. So the next thing I just want to do now is that I want to adjust it so that it looks so perfect. Then I add a fade out effect to the audio. Then I'm good to go.